Hi Seedball family. Yay. Welcome to episode 5 of Seedball TV. I'm Anna.
I'm Emily.
And this is Seedball HQ. So in this episode, we're going to be talking to you a little bit about 30 Days Wild, which is nearly over this month. And also we're going to answer a question about what we're doing for 30 Days Wild. So what's 30 Days Wild?
30 Days Wild is a brilliant campaign for Wildlife Trusts. So 30 Days Wild, it's like a nature challenge that everybody should do something.
Take part in.
The idea is that you kind of, by doing it for 30 days, it becomes a pattern, and then it keeps going for the rest of the summer and the rest of the year. So so ideas of things to do, like go and have a picnic outside. It doesn't have to be necessarily doing something for nature, it's actually just taking part in nature. So it can be going for a walk and putting your phone away and not having your phone out, just turning your phone off. It's about kind of switching off from our normal kind of lives and just engaging a bit more with nature and giving it more of our full attention. Their website's fantastic, it's got loads of ideas of things you can do, and it's really inspiring. I love this idea of a nature challenge, to challenge yourself to do something.
And I love that everybody's taking part in it together. So if you search like the hashtag 30 Days Wild on Twitter, Instagram, it's amazing to see what everybody's up to. Yeah. I love it. It's like having a community of us all trying to do something. So yeah. Awesome, check it out. So for this week's question, we got a question from Chris in Frome, a beautiful part of the countryside. And Chris was asking what the Seedball team have actually been doing as part of 30 Days Wild. We've popped out some butterfly feeders. So this is another really cute thing I've been sharing. Any overripe bananas that you've got that nobody fancies eating, bit brown, then just bob them up on a wire and hang them up outside. They make amazing butterfly feeders. So there's lots of cute things like that you can do. Make a log pile it in the corner, perfect little bug hotel. We've popped up some more bat boxes, butterfly boxes. We've been obviously working with our Bee Saver kit, which we talked about last week, and we've been putting up more in general homes for nature around the place, and so getting out there, sitting out, watching what's going on, and really actively participating in making things a little bit wilder around us. So we've loved 30 Days Wild, and we'd love to hear a little bit more about the kind of things that you've been doing as part of it. And of course, one of the things that you can do is super easy. Look what we've handily got. This is our new Matchbox packaging. So if you guys were having a party coming up or a wedding, you can customise these. So obviously you can grab seed balls and fling some seed balls out in your pots and window boxes around you. So that's it. Thank you guys. If you've got any questions for us, send them in. Anything about seed ball, wildflowers, what's going on with wildlife. Other than that, have a fantastic week.
And we'll see you next week.
Bye.
See ya.